Well, hi everyone, one of the most interesting Fusion 360 solve it tutorials. Today we're going to deal with how to make geodesic lens. As you see, there's event and intervals and offset planes I just created before I start the video at even intervals. I will use these planes to sketch over. First of all, we're going to sketch a polygon. We're going to choose this offset plane and we'll make it 12 diagram. Okay, and start sketch. We're going to repeat polygon, use the above one. Before that, just want to scale this a little bit. Yes, and repeat this polygon. Also 12 diagram. This time it is the angles opposed to the flat surface of the under diagram. Okay, as you see, this angle meets this straight line and this angle meets that straight line. I'm going to repeat the process again. Polygon, but this time we're going to make it only 6. Finally, we're gonna make a point here, choose that plane and make a point, put this point here, and it's okay. Then I'm gonna sketch lines. I'm gonna choose that plane and make sure that I'm turning on this 3D sketch. Sorry, before that I have to scale this sketch a little bit in order to get it curvy as a cylinder like this, like a hemisphere I mean. And then sketch line, while I'm turning the 3D sketch on, I will sketch this. And then stop sketch and shift to the patch mode, create patch. Okay. I guess we need to sketch one more line. Create another patch. Yes. And then create a circular pattern. Choose the axis. Sketch the remainder part. Okay. Then create circular pattern. Now we have a geodesic lens. We're gonna hide the unnecessary sketches and constructions, and then we're gonna create a sphere. Modify, split body using sketch a line first. Modify, split body, hide this, and then modify, split body, okay. We have a problem here that we have a lot of bodies here to use to split these hemispheres, so I'm gonna choose all these patches and combine a single body. It's not working. So it's not working in the model mode, so we're gonna back to patch mode and then select all these bodies by clicking the first and the last and while holding shift, and then modify, stitch. So we have one body, modify, split body, splitting tool, yes. Now we have these geodesic lens. Gonna add an appearance using pressing A glass, smooth. Now we have this knife, smooth Geodesic lens. Thank you for watching. I hope that you find it useful.